Hi, my name is Courtney Matthews, and I'm doing my presentation on Rosso Fiorentino. Rosso Fiorentino was born March 8, 1494, and passed away November 14, 1540. He lived in many different countries throughout his life, including Italy, Rome, and France, which I will discuss more during this presentation. Rosso lived in Florence and Volterra, Italy, from 1494 to 1523. This is one of his very first works he created in 1517, and it is called The Assumption of the Virgin, showing a religious story from the Bible where the Virgin Mary goes to heaven after doing her job here on earth, which was giving birth to Jesus. The work shown here is the allegory of salvation with the Virgin and Christ child Saint Elizabeth, then young Saint John the Baptist, and two angels. This oil painting is one of his early works representing mannerism from a religious view with a very emotional feel. This work is called Moses Defending the Daughters of Jethro, which is one of Rosso's early works. This piece is very action-packed, and it is also based from a story in the Bible when Moses saves the daughters of Jethro, a priest and shepherd, which ends with Jethro giving Moses one of his daughters for marriage after he saved their lives. He then moved to Rome in 1523, where his style of art changed because of influences from Michelangelo and Raphael. He became intrigued by the idealized human body and created this work of art called The Dead of Christ and Angels. As you can see, the oil painting has warmer colors and darker lighting that highlights the body of the male in the center. Rosso then returned to Italy in 1527, where he recreated a piece of art that he painted in 1521, and he utilized his newfound style. The painting on the left with the rounded top was the original, which is called the Deposition from the Cross, and the painting on the right is the recreation, which is called the Deposition from the Cross 1528. As you can see, both paintings encompass the same theme, showing a story from the Bible when Christ's followers removed his body from the cross, but the shadowing is very different in each painting, making the painting from 1528 appear more horrifying and dark. In 1530, Rosso received a job offer from King Francois I to come to France and help design the interior and create artwork for his palace in exchange for a home, large salary, and French citizenship. The work shown here is a scenery painting and is called the Gallery of Francois I. It is one of the few surviving works of Rosso in France and is still located in the palace that King Francois lived in. This is called the recumbent female nude figure, asleep, and was created sometime between 1530 and 1540 in France. This is actually a drawing using red chalk, unlike the other works I have discussed in this presentation. The line and shading work on this piece is magnificent, making the woman appear 3D. Pieta is the painting, excuse me, Pieta is the painting that Rosso created towards the end of his life during the year 1540. This is a very dramatic and emotional painting showing a nude Jesus Christ and Mary, along with other very heroic figures in the background. This concludes my presentation on Rosso, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.